This is the Arrowhead brass PK9012 stem assembly. Now this is the stem assembly for a 490 horizontal or vertical faucet. The stem comes complete with the Phillips head screw, rubber seat washer, and the brass square end. And then up from that we have the bonnet nut, the nylon washer that sits in between the bonnet nut and the body of the faucet, and then inside of the bonnet nut you have your packing. Now the total length of this stem is measured just like any other. So total length is from where the handle connects all the way down to the head of that screw. Best way to measure that we found, hook the tape measure to the head of that screw and all the way up to the end. This one's going to measure right at 15 1/4 inches. And once again, this is the Arrowhead brass PK9012 stem assembly.